Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 3 English literature teacher. First of all, take out page number 18 of your literature book. And today we are going to start the topic Tom's first dinner at the palace. Now, before that, you studied that Tom has come in place of Prince Edward, and everyone is thinking Tom Canty as Prince Edward. So now it's his dinner time. He's sitting in the palace on the chair, and the servants are standing behind his chair, and he is served with a wonderful food. And since Tom doesn't know, so he ate it with his fingers. But with the orders of the king, nobody is allowed to stare at him. And a servant put a beautiful golden fruit on Tom's gold plate, and it was having a strange smell. So Tom has not seen this fruit before, so he asked in surprise that what is this, and he was told that it's an orange. And he was eating orange along with the skin, as you don't know how to eat the orange. All the servants were whispering among themselves, but they didn't say anything to the boy, as it was told by the king. Now, after the meal, servants brought a big bowl full of nuts. So, as the nuts was the first time he has seen the nuts, so he was very excited. He took the nuts in his pocket, and then still the servants didn't notice anything. Then, after having the food, then the servants brought a bowl of warm water with a sweet smelling flower in it. For him to wash his hands, but he thought that this water was for him to drink. So he picked up the bowl and drank the whole water, and then he told that the taste of the water was not very good. And then the meal was finished, and Tom was able to go back to his own room, that is Prince's room. And at last he was very glad to be alone. He was sitting here and cracking the nuts with something heavy, and when he had eaten all the nuts, he felt happier and lay on the bed. Then we studied about the lost seal. King Henry woke up, and he had a troubled dream, and as he was tired, and he was thinking that he cannot live for much longer. So he said, I'm old and I have had a long life, I'm ready to die, but Lord Norfolk has made me angry. So Lord Norfolk, King was angry with Lord Norfolk, so he wanted to give him a punishment of death. So he wanted to give his death punishment orders now. And in those days, it was the custom that when king want to give the orders of death to someone, he has to put the seal on it, the great seal on it. In those days, king did not just sign their names with pen and ink, and it needed a king's seal, and that seal was made of gold. You can see the seal in the picture. He used it as all on his important papers, and it was as big as a man's hand, and it was very heavy. Only the king or his son can use it. Everything that the king did or his son signed had to be marked with a great seal. Now Lord Hertford arrived and said to the king that the king has given the great seal to Prince Edward yesterday. And Lord Hertford went to Prince's room to fetch the great seal. So he came back shaking his hand, saying to the king that the prince doesn't know about the great seal. So poor mad boy, said the king sadly. King was thinking that the Prince Edward has become mad. So he told them not to worry him now. They can find the great seal afterwards. So this much we have studied. Now you have to, your homework is to read page number 18, 19 and 20. And then I have given some work, and your homework is to find out the meanings of the 5 words and to make their sentences as well. And the words are: number 1, wonderful; number 2, strange; number 3, surprise; number 4, pretended; number 5, whispered. The meaning of wonderful is very much exciting, um, and strange means unusual. Surprise, you know the meaning of surprise. Pretended means you are just behaving like that, it is not real. And whispered is to tell in ears. So make find out the meanings of these words and make their sentences. And you have to buy a dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary. I want everyone to bring their Oxford English Dictionary in your class whenever you come to the class. Thank you very much. Allah